Today we're going to understand how to reflect a shape. Alright, first of all we need a mirror. Okay, let's go. Let's make a mirror like that. It will be incredible diagonal mirror, and I need to do one thing here. I need to make it smaller like that. And what I'm going to do is a copy of them here. A magnificent mirror for us. I hope it's the right way to do it. Not overcomplicated way. Alright. Now, what means reflection? Reflection, like in the mirror, when sometimes the math question asks you to reflect shape like that. I'll make it in a red color. A shape like that. Reflect through the mirror. Okay, thank you for my Russian accent. Mirror. Alright, let it be that difficult shape. What are we going to do is to understand, we need to understand how to reflect the shape exactly and how to make it, how to do it in a proper way. First of all, we need to find the points. The first point I want to reflect is this wonderful point. Alright, I need to count how many diagonal squares do we have until we reach the line, the mirror line, the reflection line. And the best way to do it, the only one way to do it, is to make a perpendicular line. Don't forget about that. Perpendicular line means a line with the angle 90 degrees. Alright, what is this terrible iMac keyboard? Alright, let's count how many squares do we have. One diagonal square, 2.5, and that means we should count the same amount of squares here. Half, 1, 2. This will be the reflected point. Okay, I need to erase these things now. The next reflected point will be that one. I need to count how many diagonal squares. 1.5. Again, half and 1. Here is the reflection of the second point. And now I'm going to use, I think, green color to show, to connect the points here. Okay, good. The next step, I need to connect another point. Let's find it. This is point number 3. And I'm going to count how many diagonal squares do I have. 1.5, 1.5. I don't need these lines anymore because I'm experienced as you. Alright, Command Z, terrible keyboard, I hate. Alright, now I need to connect the previous line. Bounce, line. Look at this. It looks not actually reflected, but we are going to continue. The next point will be this one, and the distance between this point and the mirror line is a half. I can mark the reflection point here. I need to change the color again. Now it looks not comfortable as I thought. Alright, good. The next step, again, find this point. This point lies exactly on the mirror line. That means it will be the same point as well. Alright, we're going to connect this one. Look at this line, it's the same line at the mirror, and I can continue this line until the next point. I will not mark next point because it's the same point on the mirror line. Alright, the next one should be this. One diagonal square here, one diagonal square here. Good. Green color again, line, and I'm going to connect these points. Now it looks better. Please do not do it by yourself. Do it with these points and these additional lines because it's very important. 1.5 again, 1.5 here. Command Z. Alright, good. I have a green line again and bold number 2. Bounce. The next point, here we go. I think you already understood how to do it. And 1, 2, 3, 3.5, half, 1, 2, 3. There is a reflection point. Okay, green line, connect. Good, almost done. Look at this wonderful shape. It reminds me about the fox. All right, the next one. Here we go. The next point. 1, 2.5. Half. 1, 2. Here is the point. And green line. Here we go. Good. Connect these things. Okay, we shouldn't give up. We should have 2 more points. I think these are our points. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 squares. Exactly. I should connect the previous point and this point. And finally, I have the last point over here. And look at the reflected shape. Here, the only one way how you should do the complex reflection, especially diagonal reflection. Thank you very much. Have a good one.